Next we can do the problems. Mean deviation about the mean. This is continuous frequency distribution. Class intervals are given 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, then 700, 800. Then the frequency 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. And we have to find mean deviation about the mean. So, mean deviation about the mean formula, mean deviation about the mean x bar is equal to sigma fi into absolute value of xi minus x bar by sigma fi. Okay. So, we have to find, the first step is find mean. So, for continuous frequency distribution, first is find the mid value. So, we can write these in a table. So, xi, the first column I am writing, the first column as xi. Xi means the mid value. The next is frequency fi. So, what is the mid value? 0 to 100, the mid value is 50, 50, 150, then 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750. Is it up to 750? Yes. Now the frequencies. Frequency, corresponding frequency 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. Now what is the next column? So we are using step deviation method. So take one assumed mean. Which is the assumed mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. So middle one 350 and 450. Either you can take 350 or 450. So here I am taking 450 as assumed mean. Okay. So now, so let A as, you have to find the total frequency. So A as 450. Okay. Now we have to subtract, isn't it? Ui is equal to, what is ui? Ui is equal to xi minus A. So 50 minus 450, that is minus 400. Then 150 minus 450 is minus 300. Then minus 200, minus 100, 450 minus 450 0. 550 minus 450 is 100, then 200, 300. Then di. Di means ui by 100. So by 100 means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then fi into di. Fi di. So 4 into minus 4, minus 16, then 8 into minus 3, 24, 9 into 2, minus 18, minus 10, 0, 5, 8 and 9. Here you have to find the sum and this also. What is the total frequency? Okay. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, 28, 28 plus 8 is 36, 40, 0. So total is 50, isn't it? Now here we have to find the sum. 4 are positive, 4 are negative, 3 are positive. So separately you find the sum. 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22. Okay. So this sum is 22. And what about the negatives sum? 6, 10, 18, 4, 6. Okay. So we get minus 46. That is the sum of FID. So now we can find mean x bar. So x bar is equal to step deviation method. The formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. So a means 450, then plus minus 46, that is minus 46 by 50 into h. By which number we divide? By 100. So h is 100. This cancelled. So 450 minus 92. Okay. So that is 358. That is what x bar. X bar is 358. Now coming back to this table, the next column is xi minus x bar, its absolute value, and the last column fi into xi minus x bar. So now you find the difference. Xi minus x bar is 358. So 50 minus 358. So what we get? 50 minus 358 is equal to minus 308. But absolute value means it is positive 308. Now 150. 358 minus 150. That's equal to 208. So the next will be 108. Then 350 minus 358 is 8. Then 450 minus 358. 450 minus 358, that's equal to 2, 9. So it is 92. Then next will be 192, that is 550. Then 292 and the last one is 392. Now multiply by fi here. 308 into 4. So 8 4s are 32. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. And next 208 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Then 60. So 1664. Then 108 into 9. 72, 9. So it is 972. 8 into 10 is 80. Then 92 into 7. Is it 644? Then 192 into 5. It is 960. Then 292 into 4, that is 4 2s are 8. 1168. Then 392 into 3, 6. 1176. Now you have to add the total 18, 20, 26. Is it 26? 2. 26, 30, 36, 42, 42 plus 7 is 49. Then 4, 6, 15, 21, 30, 36, 38, 3, 5, 7. 7, 8, 9, 6. Okay. Now the final is 7896 by 50. So mean deviation about mean x bar is equal to sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar by sigma fi. That's equal to 7896 by 50. Or I can write 789.6 by 5. Now you divide in 7 1, 28 5, then 39. Okay, 39 means 35, then 46. 46 is 9, then 2. So 157.92, that is the answer, mean deviation about mean. Now the next is mean deviation about median. Class intervals and frequencies are given. So for median means we need the class intervals, okay, the median class. So we can draw the table 0 to 10 as the class interval, 10 to 20, 20 30, then 30 40, 40 50, and the last is 50 60. Now the frequencies F5, that is 6, this one is F5. 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. For finding median we need cumulative frequency. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 14 44, plus 4 48, plus 2 50. So total frequency is 50. Now how to find the median class? The median formula is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is N by 2? Total frequency. N is equal to 50. So N by 2 is equal to 25. So in cumulative frequency column there is no 25, but number greater than 25, that is 28 is here. So you have to mark that is the median class. So what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 20, plus N by 2 is 25 minus CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 14 by F, frequency of the median class 14, then into the class size. What is the class size? 10. So 20 plus 110 by 14. Calculate the value, you will get a decimal. 110 by 14. 14 sevens are 98. So 98. Then you will get 12. Then in 120. So decimal. 14 into 8. 112. 112. Then you will get 8. So in 80 how much? 14 into 5 is 70, isn't it? So 5. So 7.85. Then in 50, 50 no, it is 10, that is in 100. In 100 again 7, okay, 98. So 20 point, we can round, 7.857, that is 7.86. So the median is 27.86. Calculation little bit difficult. Okay, 27.86 is the median. Now the next column, xi minus m, absolute value, then fi into xi minus m. So find xi minus m. What is xi? Oh, I didn't write xi. Xi means the mid value, okay. So we have to write xi's also. So I am rubbing this. Xi. 0 to 10, the mid value is 5. Then 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. So one more column we need, that is fi into xi minus m. So xi minus m, xi is 5. 5 minus, okay, 5 minus 27.86. That is 27.86 minus 5 is 22.86. So we can write 22.86 Then next will be 12.86, 10 is the difference. Then 2.86. But the next is 35 minus 27.86. So 35.00 and 27.86. That is 14. Then here 8, 7. That is 7.14. 7.14, then 17.14 and 27.14. Now multiply that with F5. So 22.86 into 6. So you have to calculate that. 22.86 into 6. So it is 137.16. 137.16. The next number is 12.86 into 8. That is 102.88. You have to multiply and write. Okay. The next is 2.86 into 14. That is 40.04. The next is 7.14 into 16. That is 114.24. 17.14 into 4. That is 68.56. Then last is 27.14 into 2. That is 54.28. Now find the sum of that. That sum will be 517.16. That is the sum. So the mean deviation about median. About median, M is the letter, formula is sigma fi into xi minus m by sigma fi. So the 517.16 by the total frequency is 50. So I can write 51.716 by 5. So it is 10 point, then 17 means 3, then 21, that is 4, then 16, 3 something. After decimal point, 2 places enough. So 10.34, we can stop there. That is the mean deviation about median. And one more. Calculate the mean deviation about the median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below. So first you check the class interval. Is it continuous? 16 to 20, the next is 21 to 25, then 26 to 30. So it is not continuous, we have to convert to continuous. So how to convert to continuous? Here 16 to 20, the next number is 21. So in every word the difference is 1. So 1 by 2, find 1 by 2, it is 0.5. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So you will get a continuous frequency distribution. Okay. So the class interval will be, subtract from the lower limit. So 16 minus 0.5 is 15, 15.5. Add 0.5 to, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So that is 20.5. Okay. 20.5. So the next will be 20.5 to 25.5, then 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5, then 40.5 to up to 55. 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, then 50.5 to 55.5. Then frequency 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16, 9. Then what we have to find? Mean deviation about median. So for median we need cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency CF. 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 12 is 23, 23 plus 14 is 37, 37 plus 26, that is 63, then 75, then 91, then 100. So total is 100. Okay. So n is 100. What is n by 2? N by 2 is 50. Is there any 50? No. So 63. That you have to mark. This is the median class. Now find the median. So median is equal to median. The formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Lower limit is 35.5 plus 50 minus CF. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. 37 by frequency of the median class into the class size. What is the class size? Now what is the class size? 40.5 and 35.5. The class size is 5. So 35.5 plus 13 by 26 into 5. That is 35.5 plus 13 and 26 means 1 by 2. 5 by 2 means it is 2.5. So 38 is the median. 38 is the median. Now we have to find the middle value, xi. Then xi minus m, absolute value, then fi into xi minus m. So what is xi? 15.5 to 20.5. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 20 plus 15 is 35. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. 36 by 2, that is 18. Then here 45, 46 by 2, that is 23. The difference is 5. In that way you can do. So next is 28, 33, 38, 43, 48 and 53. Now xi minus m. M is 38. Median is equal to, this is the median, 38. Okay. Now subtract 38 and 18. The difference is, what is the difference? 20. Absolute value. So 20. Here it is 15, 10, 5, 38 minus 38, 0. Then again 5, 10, 15. Now you multiply fi into that. That is 20 into 5 is 100. Then 90, 120, 70, 0. 12 into 5, that is 60, 160, that is 135, 135. So you have to add 5, 18, 18 plus 30, 33, 735. Is it 735? So 735 by the total frequency, that is the mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median is equal to sigma fi into absolute value of xi minus m by sigma fi. That is 735 by total frequency is 100. So it is 7.35. 7.35 is the answer.